How to make Instagram go back to normal. What's up, everybody? In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can make your Instagram account back to a normal account. So without any delay, let's start the video. For that, you can go ahead and open up your Instagram account, and you should be finding this interface, the home interface. Now from here, you may head over to your profile first, tap on the bottom right corner and open up your profile. And as you can see, I have a professional dashboard on, which means my account is a professional account. And if I want my account back, or if you want your account back, you may follow this process. Now from the given interface, you may locate up the 3000 lines. You may just go ahead and tap on it and open up the menu, your settings. Now from here, in order to turn off the professional dashboard, your professional account, you may scroll down, and then you may go ahead and look out for this option of this one right here, which is business tools and controls. So if your professional account is turned on, you should be finding this for professional section right here. So you can tap on business tools and controls and open up the business tools settings. Now from here, all you gotta do is scroll down, and we have this option of switch account type. So locate that up and tap on it. And after that, we have this option of switching back to a personal account. So you can tap on it, confirm it, and confirm this pop-up right here. And once that is done, it may take seconds for the changes to be applied, and your account should be changed back into a personal account, the normal one. And that is how you basically change your account back to a normal account in Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.